Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did these lemonade braids on this kinky curly wig. And yeah, let's just get started. So I received this here from Choc here. This is the texture that it came in. It's a very kinky texture. So I'm just going to first wash and condition this hair just to see what I'm working with, just to see how much the hair extends, to see the length of it and all that good stuff. So I just went ahead and pre-braided this hair because when I tell you it is not the easiest thing to do braids on a wig, so I just pre-braided it. I just want to show you guys how I make it look extremely natural. So if you know how to cornrow, this is the pattern that I'm using. And if you don't know how to cornrow, just click this link right here and I show you in detail on how to do it. Okay, so I really want to touch on the wig itself. I highly suggest this type of wig because it's super kinky so the braids stay, and also it's a full lace wig so you can see your actual part. I left all the information on this wig in the description box below. Another thing that I want to point out, oh god girl, make sure you blow dry this wig after you wash it. I was being way too lazy to do so while I was braiding it, like it was just, difficult. Remember, it's a kinky texture, so my fingers were all like cramped and aching, and just blow dry the whole thing. It mimics natural hair blown out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make all your cornrows look extremely natural. So I unraveled one of them, and the main trick is just to simply pluck the entire part, not just the beginning, but the entire braid length, because that's what's going to make each cornrow look very, very supernatural. Okay, now your next friend is mousse. Definitely want to use quite a bit of mousse on the hair at the beginning, while you're braiding, and afterwards as well. It's definitely going to hold the frizzies in place and keep the style, maintain it as long as possible. And now I'm just going to start braiding. Again, if you guys need a more in-depth braiding video, I'll leave one in the description box below. Now your third best friend, T-pins. The T-pins is going to keep the lace in place so it doesn't move and scrunch up while you're braiding it. Also, get yourself a legit mannequin head because this one kept moving around. It was so annoying. I punched it a couple of times. So definitely get you a legit one and buy an extra one for your girl. Would you please? Because I'm so tired of these foam ones. Now at the end of each cornrow, what you want to do is apply mousse, like I'm doing right here. And this is one of the reasons why I like the kinky texture, because the ends just naturally curl up. So that adds for another cute look to the hairstyle. I'm also adding a little bit of Eco Styler to further keep the hair in place. Pick a stocking cap that you like. This is definitely not my skin tone, but this is the only one that they had left. So you're gonna put this on your head. I am not gonna be doing the stocking cap method, like the whole gluing down and all that other stuff, because that looks too time consuming. Okay, that is the first step. I'm gonna let this dry down. Try this on real quick. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far without me doing anything much to it. So let's start customizing it. Okay, so this is the final look. And one thing I want to say is, now looking back on this video, I highly recommend the stocking cap method. Mine kept moving around, so just keep that in mind. Again, it is time consuming, but I think it's worth it for a look like this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and give it a big thumbs up if you're feeling it. And also, just a reminder, don't forget to watch this what is it called? 10-minute natural hairstyle for bad days that you can rock. So definitely check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.